Well, how hundred children do this year? The Queen quit. Oh, so glad that 100 children know about the going on ya. Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week 2016. Celebration of self-determination. 100 children are going to be going on from July 30th to August the 7th, all the way from North Kakalaki down to Florida, or Florida up to North Kakalaki, whichever way Hunter walk on. We're so glad that all 4 states have joined we. And you know one thing, this year have been a blessing, because from the same day we get 2 proclamations. One up in North Kakalaki in Pender County, and one down yonder in Florida in Fernandina Beach. So it couldn't be there on both the day and things like that, because we've been to travel. But we want 100 children for no way safe. So look, your children, this year will come in from Pender County. First, they want to let we know that they affirmatively, that is the word he used, recognize the significant contributions by the Gullah Geechee people that they have made to history and the culture of Pender County. And so their state, the nation, and that they support the efforts to continue to document, preserve, and continue the culture here in the Gullah Geechee Nation, and in particular, that of the Gullah Geechee people of Pender County. To that effect, they then included, and you can see the logo right there, the Pender County Proclamation that says, whereas the Gullah Geechee people are descendants of enslaved Africans who lived and labored in relative isolation in the coastal rice-growing regions of the mainland North America during the antebellum period. And whereas because of their isolation, the Gullah Geechee people were able to develop and maintain the distinct Gullah language, traditions, foodways, material culture, music, and artistic expressions. And whereas in 2006, the United States Congress passed legislation that was signed by President George W. Bush, creating the Gullah Geechee Cultural Heritage Corridor to recognize the important contributions made to American culture and history by Gullah Geechee people. And whereas the Gullah Geechee Cultural Heritage Corridor extends through the Gullah Geechee Nation, and whereas this national heritage area embraces approximately 12,000 square miles along the Atlantic coast, extending from southeastern North Carolina to northern Florida, or they could have said northeastern Florida. Whereas the northern limit of the Gullah Geechee Cultural Heritage Corridor is Pender County. And whereas during the first half of the 18th century, the ancestors of the Gullah Geechee people arrived in what is now Pender County, and their labor was crucial to the development of some of the largest rice plantations in the Cape Fear region. And whereas the Gullah Geechee people have continued to live in Pender County up to the present day, and whereas the inaugural Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week took place in the city of Charleston, and this is Pender County's first year joining in the celebration, and whereas this year the theme is a celebration of self-determination, and now, therefore, be it proclaimed that Pender County's Board of Commissioners do hereby proclaim that Saturday, July 30th through Sunday, August 7th, 2016, is Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week in Pender County, and affirmatively recognizes the significant contributions that Gullah Geechee people have made to the history and culture of Pender County and to our state and nation, and supports the efforts to document, preserve, and continue the historical and cultural assets of the Gullah Geechee people in Pender County. And this was signed by Chairman George R. Brown of the Board of Commissioners for Pender County, North Kakalaki. Thank you, North Kakalaki. Thank you, Pender County, for joining all the rest of we for make this your thing a Gullah Geechee nationwide celebration. Yes, a celebration of self-determination. Hunter children, follow we at Gullah Geechee, and Hunter gwine know what going on all throughout the week in Pender County and way down south beyond. Hunter children, come shout with me, and Hunter children know where I to be. That way, thing why be going on this year week of the Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation. Peace and blessing, everybody. Thank you, Pender County.